वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ यश्चन्दसा मृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु। अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः घोषोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ मेधादेवी जुषमानान आगात् विश्वाची भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहत्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः। त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा गतः श्रीरुतत्वया। त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व प्रविनो न मेधे। मेधां मयेन्द्रो दधातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती। मेधा मे अश्विनावुभावा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा। अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः। दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सामां मेधा सुरभिर्जुषताम्। आमां मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णां जगति जगम्याम्। ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामां मेधा सुप्रतीकाजुषन्ताम्। मयि मेधां महि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयेन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Yesterday we are saying Stogostunashuhu, right? Stogostunashuhu, that for that apavada is Shat. Stogostunashtuhu apavada is two apavadas are there. Na Padanta, the Toho Ranam, and Toshi, Tohoshi. Tohoshi we have to see. Not Padanta, Toro Ranam we saw. What is it? Padantat, Toho, Anam. Padantat, Toho itself, Tuttam applied, okay. The sutra, na padantat, when you do the vicheda, sandhi vicheda, na padantat toho anam, padantat, that is what takara, that shuttam happens. The sandhi itself, shuttam is there. Do you see that? Yes? Do you see the shuttam happening in the sandhi? Padanta takara, takara in contact with toho. Takarasya stane takaraha adeshaka bhavati, right? You want this? Not required, yeah. Right. So, Na padantat toho anam, right? That's the sutra. Padantat, Panchami Vibhakti. Padantat followed by toho. So takara in contact with takara. So Shtuktam happens there, right? That's what I said. Understand? That's okay. Padanta takara, whatever may be. I'm saying the Shtuktam happens in the very rule itself. It's clear? Yes. So now, what does it mean? Padanta tavarga when followed by stu. Padanta tavarga when followed by stu. Stoho comes as anuvritti. You take your Sutra Pata, 8442 in my Sutra Pata. 8442 is the exception to Shtutva Sandhi. The chart? Not there? Shtutva Sandhi exception, not there. Okay. I think it must be there. Okay. 8443. Na padanta to anam. We will see that quickly. Okay. So, na padanta to nam. What are the anuvrittis? Please take your Sutra Pata. Na padanta to ranam. Anuvritti is stoho and shtuhu. Stoho is Shashti Bhakti. Shtuhu is Ekavachanam, Adesha. Stoho Stane Shtuhu Adeshaha na bhavati. When? If it is Padanta Tavarga. Right? So, accepting Anam. Nam is, I said it is Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana. Am is there. Right? S, Os, Am. And that Am becomes Nam. It gets a Nuttagama. Therefore, Am becomes Nam. When Am becomes Nam, is it a Padanta, the preceding one is a Padam or not? Think and tell. Why? Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya is Am. Right? The Prakriti, the Pratipadikam, Padam or not? No. But Nuttagama is added. Now it becomes Nam. Padam or not? Now it's a Padam. Su Adishu Asarvanamastane Padam. Otherwise, Echibam. It was Bam, Basanya. But Nuttagama came, it becomes Nam. Therefore, the preceding one is Padam. That is why Padantat. Okay. Understand? So, example is Shat plus Nam, Shannam. Okay. After a long time using the board now. So, it is a Padam now. Okay. So, Nam is Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya, which is the Pratipadikam is Shash. Okay. Shash plus Nam. Now, if it is Am, this would have been what Sanya? If it is Am, Pratipadikam, Basanya. It's a Basanya, right? But here Nuttagama has come. Nuttagama content is Nut, okay. Takara is it, is it, Nakara. So Nakara is the Agama for this Am Pratyaya. For this particular Pratipadikam, it comes, okay. Therefore, it becomes Shash plus Nam. Therefore, this get the Pada status, right? Now it is a Padam, applying the, what rule you will apply first? In the Tripadi. Shakara will be replaced by Justice and the first becomes Shad. Shad plus Nam. Then after that, Padanta Tavarga in contact with this. So this is Padanta Tavarga in contact with Na, then Stokoshtanashloka will not apply. Okay. Then, yes, Murdanya. Yes, Shakara and Nam is there. Therefore, what will happen to this? The Shakara. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. Right? So, even if it is intervened by at, kupu. No, we will come to that later. At kupu. Okay. Now it becomes shad plus nam. Then what happens is, it's not a Rashabhyam no samana pade. Okay, something happens here. Now takara, nakara is there. So what will happen to this? You have to apply shtutva, nam. It becomes nam. Not by that sutra, not by Rashabhyam no samarapade. But applying this, yes, shtutva sandhya applies. Then after that, what happens? This is what letter? This is air letter, followed by anunasika. Air followed by anunasika. So this will be replaced by its corresponding anunasika, which is nakara, shannam. This is the form you get. Anyway, this sutra is different sutra. We have to see. I mean, we know it. Sutra as such, we have to see. Eraha anunasike anunasikova, 8-4. I think after Shtutva Sandhi, 45 maybe, I think. In my sutra pata, 45. Here, this is 8-39, just a Sandhi. And here, Shad plus Nam is Shtutva Sandhi, 8-4. 40, 41 in my this thing. Okay. This is Shtutva Sandhi. This Sandhi, Padanta Tavarga, will in contact with Shtutvam will not happen. But this is Apavada to that. Because in the sutra itself is there, Na Padantat Toho Anam, Nam Varjagitva. It is not only Nam, it is also for Navati Nagari. So that also we have to take by the Vartika. Okay, it's clear. So this is done. This is what we saw yesterday. Then Navati Shan becomes applied. Stuttam will happen for Navati and Nagari. Okay. The next one is Apavada is Togo Shi. Togo Shiki. Togo Shi. Okay. 8-4, 44. What it may be, yeah. 8-4, 43. Yes, Togo Shi. For that is example. Need example for that. Okay. What does it means? Togo Shi means, Togo is what vibhakti? Shashti. Tavarga in contact with Murdanya Shakara, following, succeeding contact. Right? So what are the anuvrittis for this? Na, number one, it is Apavada, right? Na is, then Shtuhu. It is Shtuhu. Na Shtuhu Bhavati. How do you say the vritti for this? Vritti for this? Tell me the vritti in Samskritam, in your own language. Avyaya, na bhavati, apavada. Na padanta toranam from that anuvritti. Tuttam na bhavati, kada? Tavargasya pare, shakare pare. Tavargasya shakare pare. Tavargasya pare, shakare. Tavargasya shakare pare, shtuttam na bhavati. Tavargasya sthane, tavarga adeshakha na bhavati. Shakare pare. Clear? So, this is succeeding contact. This will not apply. It won't happen. So, that rule we know. Now, bringing the anuvrittis, this is what? Clear? So, Toho, see, vritti can be written like this. Toho shtuhu na bhavati. Toho shtuhu na bhavati. Kada shi pare. Now, Toho, we cannot simply say Toho. We can say tavargasya. That is sthana. So, tavargasya sthane. She is that. Shakare pare. Shakara follows because saptami bhakti. Then shtuhu, or you can say shtutvam. Na bhavati. Clear? That's what example. Example, Agnichit plus Shande is there, I think, in the book, in the Sutra, Sandhi chart. Okay, example not there, you can see. Agnichit plus Shande. This is here you can see, Takara, Tavarga in contact with Shakara. Generally, what will apply? Shtutvam. By this apavada, Shtutvam will not apply. Bhavan Shashtaha, yes. Right? It remains as it is. Sometimes you will see in Bhashya some places like this. So you should be able to spot that. Now it's clear. Shtuttam is done. Stogostunashuhu, Stogostunashtuhu, Na Padanta Toranam, Togoshi Shat. These 5 sutras put together you need to remember. And it has got connection with other, we have seen, where it is the examples are not possible. It is taken care by the preceding sutras, Chogo, Kuhu and Chattum, all those things. Okay. Now, after that, do you have with you the Shattva Vidhi, Shattva chart I gave, Shatvam, Sattvam, Natvam. Shatvam, please take Shatvam, because, yeah, here we cannot project it now. Shatvam. Huh? Computer on panna Oh. 84, நான் சொல்ற நம்பர் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்கணும் வேணும் 84, 57, 58, 59, 55 and the 83, 55, 55, 57, 58, 59. 11. Yes. From this I'll explain. Very good. இது முன்னாடி பண்ணிக்கலாமே அது தோகஷி. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem. 8455 you take. 8455. I given the list of sutras, in that it is there. 8455. Okay. Konjam zoom pannu. Okay. Apadantasya murdhanyaha. What is apadantasya? Na padantasya, apadantasya, right? So, apadantasya. Okay. But this sutra is not complete. This is Adhikara Sutra. See, you can have Sutra Pata also in your hand. See, Apadantasya Murdhanyaha 8355. You have in your Sutra Pata? It is there. 8355. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. This is Adhikara Sutra. Okay. Murdhanyaha means what? Murdhanyaha is? Huh? Murdhanyaha is, no, that which is pronounced when the murda is called murdhanya, that referring to that varna. It could be nakara. All that, tavarga, shavarga, all are murdhanya. Murdhanya could be anything. Murdhanya is, see, what is murdhanya? Rutu rasha nam, murdha. Rutu rasha, all the 4 are murdhanya, right? So murdhanya refers to that. According to the context, we have to understand. If Sakara is replaced by Murdhanya, when we say, what you will bring it? You will bring in Tavarga? You have to bring we have to bring in Ushma Varna. Sakara is Ushma Varna, sibilant. So when you say we replace by Murdhanya, you have to bring Murdhanya Shakara only. You cannot bring Tavarga. You cannot bring Rikara. Rikara is vowel, right? Can you bring the vowel? No. Can you bring Tavarga? No. You have to bring in Sakara being Ushma Varna, sibilant, corresponding Ushma, the corresponding Ushma Varnas of the sibilant. That you have to bring in. Clear? So Murdhanya means in our context, you understand it is? What is that? Shattam. Shakara comes. Shakara is called Murdhanya here. Okay. It's Murdhanya, yes. Shakara, here it is Murdhanya Shakara. So this is Adhikara Sutra, okay. So nothing is there in this sutra. Just see. Samhitayam comes as anuvritti. Apadantasya murdhanyaha. Apadantasya samhitayam murdhanyaha. So then you see the full sutra. Adhikaraha ayam. Itaha parasya. That's a typo, not paramasya. Itaha parasya. Here you see, there is no paramasya, okay. The ma should not be there. Itaha parasya. Padasya. Parisamapti paryantam means this pada, up to the end of this pada. What pada? 8-3. Starting from here up to the end of this pada, 8-3 end. Padante avidyamanasya. It means apadanta. Not at the end of the padam. Apadanta. It's clear. Padante avidyamanasya. Not at the end of the padam. Nirdishtasya varnasya. Any varna. We will get the murdanya adesha. So any varna means tavarga will come if it is varna, if it is class consonant. If it is fifth letter, then nakara will come. If it is sakara, shakara will come. That is what the sutra is. Okay. Etat adhikara sutram asti. This is adhikara sutra. Asya adhikaraha ashtamadhyayasya tritiya padasya samapti paryantam gacchati. Right? Up to the end of the third chapter. This is 8.355 up to 8.3 end. Asmin adhikare yadi kaschana varnasya adesha uttaha asti. In this adhikara, if any adesha is told, saha varnaha cha padante nasti, if that varna is not at the end of the padam, then targi tasya varnasya murdanya adesha bhavati. That varna will get the murdanya adesha. So in this adhikara, if any varna get adesha and that varna is not at the end of the padam, then it will get murdanya adesha. That is what this adhikara is. Clear? Starting from here up to the end, if any varna gets adesha and that varna is not at the end of the padam, that what adesha it will get? Murdanya adesha. Kim nama murdanya adesha? What is it murdanya adesha? Yesham varnana muccharanastana murda asti. That which has murda, cerebrum as its place of pronunciation, teshu antaratama varnaha adesha rupena vidyate. What is antaratamaha? What sutra you remember? What sutra you remember? Sthane antaratamaha. You have to bring in corresponding varna. Suppose if takara is there. Suppose if takara is there. Say for example, takara. Now, that is apadanta takara somewhere it is there in this section. Now the takara, apadanta takara will get what adesha? Corresponding takara adesha. Right? How? Sthane antaratamaha. You know what it is. Takara is in this adhikara, prayaha, mostly what happens in this adhikara is sakarasya sthane murdanya shakaraha vidiyate. That is what we have to understand. Okay. Even though I gave the example takara, takara, those things you will not find in this adhikara. That is not a scope here. Okay. In this adhikara, you will find only sakara. Because sutras all will be related only to the replacement to sakara. So sakara will be replaced by, that is what adhikara is. Okay. Keshu chana staleshu dakarasya dakaraha api vidiyate. In some places, dakara, apadanta dakara is there. This dakara to be replaced with murdanya, what will you replace? Corresponding dakara, tavarga letter is, murdanya letter is dakara. That is what he says. So that is one, maybe one sutra or something, maybe sutras may be there, where dakara is replaced by dakara. So that is the murdanya. See, by saying murdanya, he covers both possibilities. He doesn't have to say individually dakaraha and dakaraha adesha bhavati or shakaraha. By simply saying murdanya, he covers both for sakara adesha as well as dakara adesha. What I mean by sakara adesha is adesha in the place of sakara. Dakara adesha is not dakara is the adesha. Adesha in the place of dakara, which is dakara. Okay. Next sutra. This is 8.3. If it's a class consonant, tavarga letter. If it is going to be sibilant, that's what I said. If it's going to be sibilant, corresponding sibilant. Right? Yeah, next sutra. This is adhikara. Apadantasya murdanyaha. Next one is next one, 8.357. Inkoho. Okay. Okay, previous sutra, 1 minute. From this sutra, this saha comes as anuvritti. Okay, saha is, we know. Saha is sakara. What sakara from the previous sutra? Apadantasya. Apadantasya. So you have to bring in apadantasya murdhanyaha from the previous sutra. From this previous sutra, Saha sutra. What is that sutra? Sahe Sadaha Saha is there. From that Saha. So what is now? What is the understanding? Saha is the previous sutra. Saha is there. Apadantasya Sasya Sakarasya Stane Murdhanyaha Adesha Bhavati. Why ku? Huh? No Tavargasya and all. No, why Tavarga here? Apadantasya, we are talking about Sakara. Apadantasya Sakarasya Sthane Murdhanyaha Adesha Bhavati. Clear? Why Apadanta Varga? Not required. Only about Sakara. $95. Where is 95? 55, it is not even talking about Sakara. It doesn't say anything. It's not saying a Sakara. Where did it say? Go to 55. Murdhanya. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. Where is Sakara here? It doesn't mention anything here. Doesn't mention anything. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. That is, it's Adhikara. Okay, this is not a Vidhi Sutra. See, understand, this is not a Vidhi. This is a Vidhi Sutra, that is why I said Adhikaraha. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha. What Apadanta? It doesn't say that. Go to the next Sutra. Sakhe. Sakhe Sada Saha. Here, Saha is there. From this Sutra, Saha comes as Anuvrutti to the next Sutra. See, in fact, what we are interested in, the Sutra is 8459 actually. Adesha Pratyayoho, that is the sutra we are interested. For that, these words from the previous sutra comes as Anuvritti. 8359. 59. See, this is what this sutra we are interested. Okay. The sutra will not make any sense if you just read the sutra. You have to bring in the other words from the previous sutras as Anuvritti. Please have Sutra Pata. Everything cannot be shown here. Difficult. Okay. Sutra Pata, you take it. 8455. Apadantasya Murdhanyaha comes as Anuvritti. Adhikara, the important word, it's not Vidhi Sutra. From the 8456, Saha comes as Anuvritti. From the 8457, the previous Sutra, Inkoho comes as Anuvritti. And from the previous, immediate preceding Sutra, Num Visarjaniya Shar Vyavaye Api comes as Anuvritti. So, you have to collect all the Anuvrittis and then interpret this Sutra. Otherwise, this Sutra will not be meaningful, will not understand anything. Yeah. What's it again? Uh-huh. What is 55? What is 57? You tell it. Not required. Not required. Okay. Saha only comes. See, 8359 is Adesha Pratyayoho. For this, Apadantasya comes as Anuvritti. Apadantasya and Murdhanyaha. These two comes as Anuvritti from the 8455. Then 8456, Saha comes as Anuvritti. And from the 8457, Inkoho comes as Anuvritti. And the preceding is Num, that we will see later. That also comes as Anuvritti. Now, Adesha Pratyayoho is there. Before that, Apadantasya what Vibhakti? 6-1. Murdhanyaha is 1-1. That is the Adesha, this is the Sthani. Apadantasya what? Saha is what Vibhakti? That is Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. So, Apadantasya Sakarasya. Clear? With the Anuvrittis, you have to write, interpret. Apadantasya Sakarasya Murdhanyaha Adeshaka Bhavati. And that Sakara, by this sutra, what we say is belonging to Adesha or Pratyaya. Adesha Pratyayoho Apadantasya Sakarasya sthane murdanyah adeshah bhavati. Clear? Adesha pratyaya, what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti. So this is Shashti, this is Shashti. Put everything together. Adesha pratyayoho apadantasya sakarasya sthane murdanyah adesha bhavati. What is inkoho now? Not intervene. It means the rule, first you understand the rule is. Preceding, what vibhakti is that? Panchami. Panchami dvivachanam. What is the pratipadikam? Inku. This is, inku is a pratipadikam. Not 5 2, 5 1, okay. Inkoho, 5 1. Inkoho, it is 5 1. So, what is inkoho? The letters in and ku. What is ku? Kavarga. And in is not shorted. I1 means we have got E and O only. No, all the letters. E up to the long akara. So, if this letter precedes, then Mudanya Adesha Bhavati. That's called Shattam number 1. Now, go up, sir. Inkoho Parasya. Therefore, what vibhakti is? Inkoho Parasya. Panchami. Following the in, Parasya. What is that? Apadantasya. Adesha Rupasya. Pratyaya Avayava Rupasya. That's called Adesha Pratyaya. It could be a part of the Pratyaya or it could be the Adesha. Adesha Sakara or Pratyaya Sakara. Va. Sakarasya. All these are descriptions of the Sakara. Sakara, which is Apadanta Sakara, part of the, it is Adesha or part of the Pratyaya, preceded by in. That Sakara will get Murdanya Adesha Bhavati. Clear? Sakara Adesha is? What do you do with that in the Shadlu Dhatu? Shadlu Dhatu, what happens? In the Upadeshika Dhatu, Shadlu is there. Adi Shakara is replaced by dental Sakara. That is Sakara Adesha. Example for Sakara Adesha. And Pratyaya Sakara is Su, Au, Jas, Shas. So many are there. Os, right? All those are part of the Pratyaya Sakara. Now, that Sakara, if it at the end of the, not at the end of the Padam, Apadanta, if it happens to be Apadanta, that Sakara we are talking about. I gave example for this. That's okay. That is what is Adesha Sakara. Adesha is Sakara. That Sakara will undergo this change. That is why Upanishad it becomes. Otherwise, Sakara will be there. How do you get the word Upanishad? Upa plus Ni plus Sad. The Sad is what Sakara? No. That is Sakara. Adesha Sakara. It's a Pada Sakara, Padanta? No. It's a Apadanta, Adesha Sakara, preceded by Upa plus Ni. E is there. Ni is in. Therefore, it gets Murdanya Adesha. Therefore, Upanishad. Shakara becomes Sakara. Sakara becomes again Shakara. This is what happens in the word Upanishad. Upadeshika Dhatu gets Sakara Adesha, that is called Sattvam. And this Apadanta Sakara, which is also happened to be the Adesha Sakara, right? Apadanta Adesha Sakara Sestane Murdanya Shakaraha Adesha. That's called Shatvam. It's clear? Yes? Number 2. This is Shatvam number 2. Shatvam number 1 already in 8-2 section. Then down. We'll see the example. Okay, now we'll read this. I'll quickly read this. Yadi kaschana sakarah swayam adesha rupena vigitah asti atava kasyachana pratyasya avayavah asti. Adesha rupa example is Shadlu. And kaschana avayavah that we will see. Targi inkoho parasya preceded by in. The sakarasya shakaraha adesha bhavati. It gets replaced by shakara. Now, it need not proceed immediately. Okay. Whenever we specify a rule, preceding, succeeding, it means immediately. No vyavadana, no space, no gap, right? But the previous sutra to this is, just go to the previous sutra. The previous sutra is Num shar visarjaniya vyavaye api. So here it says num is numagama. Visarjaniya is visarga. Shar is shashasa. Vyavaye api. Even if these intervene between them, between these two, then also shatvam will happen. Right? Need not immediately present. But here the thing is any one only, not more than one. Everything we have seen. This is the fifth time or sixth time we are doing this. Okay, only one. Now, just go down below. Idilapa, Priyasutram. Here. Inkoho asmin adhikare nirdishtaha sakarasya shakaraha adeshaka bhavati. Okay. Anuswaraha visargaha. Num is anuswara. Nakara is that is why it says anuswara. Apadanta nakara will become anuswara. Anuswara visarga shar varnaha eteshu kasyachana ekasya vivadane sati. Only one. Only one can intervene. Only, whereas in natvam more than one. Here only one can intervene. Then it will happen. Now next sutra. Down. Yeah. Now this is we have read. Smartavyam. Ityatra parasya nakarasya iti yukte lan pratyahara pakakarasya karanam bhavati. Advana outer. Smartavyam. Parasya nakarasya iti yukte. Okay. Ityukte lan pratyaharasya nakarasya karanam bhavati. Adaha in pratyahare ayeto vihaya sarve antastaha kara samavishate evekku iti yarina. Okay. Already I have told this. Okay. What is in and what is ku is saying. Okay. Up. Now you see this example. Vak shabdasya saptami bhaguvachanasya rupasiddho. Vak plus sup. Sup is there. What pratyaya, what sakara is that? It is pratyaya sakara. Is it a padam? It's a pratyaya. So vak, su is there. Su is preceded by ku letter, in ku. So it is apadanta pratyaya sakara. The sakara is part of this avayava, the pratyaya. The avayava of this sakara is avayava of this pratyaya. So this preceded by ku letter. Therefore, what will happen to this sakara becomes murdanya by this sutra. This sutra only is important because for this sutra only all the other words comes as anuvritti. Therefore, adesha pratyayo 8359 is important. Therefore, vak plus shu. You get vak shu. Right? This example for the pratyaya sakara up. Then this example, this is also example for pratyaya sakara up. Adesha sakara, I gave that example. I think you can note that example up. This example also not required. Okay. For adesha sakara, what I gave this example, shadla, you can note that example. Upanishad, that is simple. Clear? So the four sutras are done. Apadantasya murdanyaha, it is adhikara. Inkoho, that is also adhikara. Num visarjaniya vyavaye api, that is also adhikara. Adesha pratyaho, it is the main sutra. For that sutra only, all these are comes as anuvritti. That is apadantasya murdanyaha, inkoho, and saha, num visarjaniya shar vyavaye api. Clear? So this sutra, adesha pratyaho is the sutra. Other things are not our interest. We are bringing that as anuvritti. Why I wrote apadantasya murdanya inko, it is adhikara. Nothing is there to interpret on that. And why I left sahe saadaha saha, it is specific for that particular word. That is why I left it. Okay, that is maybe a vidhi sutra. So I left out the vidhi because we are not interested in that vidhi. We are interested only in the shakta vidhi. Therefore, other extra vidhi sutra not required. But what is required as anuvritti, that only I have given. So we have to bring saha as anuvritti from that sutra. Sahe sadaha saha. That is why it is not added in our list. Clear? So when I ask you what is Shattam number 2, you have to say Adesha Pratyayoho. You need to remember, this is a sutra, 8359. It's clear? Yeah. Num is num ahama. Examples I am not giving that. Okay, example in the context we will see. Visarjaniya, then shar later. Here, important thing is, only one can intervene among this. If more than one comes, Shatvam will not happen. Even though Sakara is Adesha Sakara or Pratyaya Sakara, Apadanta Sakara, preceded by in or ku, then will not happen. Okay. Huh? Avayava means part of the. Pratyayasya avayavasya sakarasya or Adesha sakarasya va. Sutra, Adesha Pratyaya is the sutra. Visarjaniya, that is from Visarga. Visarjaniya, Shar, Vyavaye api. Vyavaye means intervention. Vyavayaha. The word Vyavaya must be familiar with you. Vyavaye api. Okay. I think in this sutta, the importance of word api is only one. Otherwise, why should you give api? Okay. Done this. Then 841. Nattam also I will tell you. Then Anuswara Sandhi we will see tomorrow. 841. Yes. See, Shatvam we have seen. Now Nattam. Samana Pade means same padam. Okay. What is no naha? Tani. No is naha. Naha. Therefore, Pratipadikam is different. When you say this is Shashti Vibhakti, no, what is the Pratipadikam? Nakara. And Naha is 1. Pratipadikam is? Now, like this is like Rama Shabda, this is like Marut Shabda. Understand? Okay. So, Dantya Nakara is the Sthani, Muddan Nakara is the Adesha. The same Padam, Dantya Nakara will be replaced by Muddani Nakara. When? Repa, not and, or. Therefore, Rashabhyam or Vibhakti. Preceded by, I said, Panchami. Preceded by Repa or Murdanya Shakara, Dantya Nakara will be replaced by Murdanya Nakara. Okay. Samana Pade. This is Natvam. There is no Natvam number 1 and 2 and all. Only one is there. Huh? Yeah. Then the next. Here there is a Vartika for this sutra. It says, Ru also have to be told. Not Ru also. Down. Here. Mela. Ru Varnat Nasya Nattam Vachyam. So, Ru also should be told. Yes, missed out, he says. Iti yukte. Rikarat parasya api nakarasya nakaraha desha bhavati. Okay. Example, Tisra plus Nam. Tisra is number 3, Srilinga. Here Ru is there, Na is there, Nam. So this, because of this Ru, Nattam happens, Tisra Nam. Similarly, Pitra Nam. Okay. So now we have to understand Rashabhyam Nona Samana Pade. Dantya Nakara will be replaced by Mudan Nakara. If it is preceded by Repa or Shakara, by this Vartika. Now, the next sutra is important. Next sutra also you have to bring in. Next sutra is, we can write it later. We can refer to the site. Time not there. At kup vang num vyavaye api. This actually this, you have to read this sutra. 842 is important. When you read 842, 841 comes as anuvritti. So it is 842. Vyavaye api means what? Rashabhyam no naha samana pade comes as anuvritti. The whole sutra comes as anuvritti. You see here. Rashabhyam, no naha, everything comes as anuvritti. So what is at? Even up to Hayavar at. That is at. Ku, Kavarga, Pu, Pavarga, Ang is, we know Ang is. What is Ang? Upasarga, Num, Vyavaye. Even if this intervene. But in this case, more than one allowed. More than one allowed. One or more than one or any number. Even if it intervenes, then will happen. Now you see the down. That is there. That is Apavada comes later. So now here, Repat, Shakarat, you can also add Rivernath. It is by the Vartika. Rivernath Parasya, Nakarasya, Danti Nakarasya, Murdani Nakaraha Adesha Bhavati, At Varnasya, Kavargiya Varnasya, Pavargiya Varnasya, Ang Asya Upasargasya, Anusvarasya, Cha, Vyavadane Api Bhavati. Even these intervene. Huh? At, yeah. Vowels and semi-vowels. At. Kavarga, all the Kavarga letters. Pavarga. Ang is Upasarga, Anusvara, we know. Okay. Now you see. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. Anena sutrena repa shakarabhyam parasya avyavagitasya nakarasya nakaraha adesha vidiyate. By the preceding sutra, immediately preceding was ordained. Natvam is ordained. Okay. By this sutra, what it says is, Vartamana sutrena, ayam nakaraha adeshaha atvarnasya kavargi varnasya pavargi varnasya ang asya upasargasya anusvarasya vyavadane api bhavati. Even if this intervene, then it will happen. So difference between Shatvam and Natvam is, there only one is allowed. Num, Shar, Visarga, any one. Here, At, Kup, Vang, Num, Vyavage, Api. More than one allowed. That is the difference. Understand this? Now, there is an apavada, important apavada to this. If it is a Padanta Nakara, then Natvam will not happen. Okay. Num is Numagama, yes. Anusvara. That examples in the context will come. Okay. Then that is how we have to understand. Nim Vyavai Api, yes. I'm not, this is my interpretation, but you have to see why is this Api. Api is that, yes. It's not a technical word, it's just a normal word, Api. In both words, it is, yeah, I thought Api is not in this here, in the sutra, but it is there. In both, it is there. Okay. So, Api is common. So, with that, we cannot make out. Now, one Apavada is missing in the sutra chart. That Padanta Nakara will not become. So, you please take the sutra number 8437. That I will add and send you later. 8437, that is important. 8437. Padantasya is there. What is Padantasya? At the end of the padam. Context is nakara, danti nakara replaced by more than nakara. Padantasya, anuvritti is, na comes as anuvritti. It means what? Na bhavati. This danti nakara at the end of the padam, preceded by repa shakara, then this natvam na bhavati. Example. After the Rashabhyam, at Kupang Num Vyavayapi is there, 842. After 842, you can write this, 8437. I missed out this. Example for this, not Atman, Harin, Raman, not Karin. Karin is Pratipadikam. We are talking about Pada, right? Padantasya, Padanta Nakara will not become Mudra Nakara. Karin is Pratipadikam. I said Raman, Ramaha, Ramam, Raman, Harihi, Areha, Arim, Harin, not Karin, Harin, Gurun, Kartrun, all are Padam, Padanta Nakara, Nattam na bhavati, clear. So Padanta Nakara, even if it is preceded by Repa or Rikara or Shakara, even intervened by Atkum Vangnum Yavayapi, Nattam na bhavati. This is Apavada. So 8437 is Apavada to 842. Okay. So we have covered Shatvam and Natvam. Then few sutras are left out. We have to complete tomorrow. Let's see. Right? Akurvan, Kurvan and all. Example for that. Kurvan is Pratipadikam is Kurvat, Shatranta. Kurvan, Kurvantau, Kurvantaha. Does it become more than a Shakara? No. Because Padanta Nakara. Understand this? Up to this? Yeah. We're done. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।